Chicken dongers! Today, we're going to be showing you how to cook the perfect chicken dongers. Okay, welcome to the Great Chicken Donger Investigation 2019.
I don't know why you're hyping this up so much. We're making chicken fingers, wait.
Okay guys, welcome to the Great Chicken Finger Investigation. Someone is skinny chicken fingers from the Wait and Wait TV headquarters.
This could be a skit. Like, we could literally just, this could be the skit video.
We need to go
See, this is what your apple juice is doing to you, Wade. Stop drinking the apple juice.
Okay. So today, we are going to be showing you.
Do you even have chicken fingers? Are you sure?
Yes.
You think?
So,
Did you say you think? Or you do?
So
You think? You think?
Here we go. There's a lot of dongers here. What I like to do when I cook the chicken dongers is I take the chicken and I take the donger and I put them together. Boom, chicken dongers. Freshly made. $4.25. Don't care what the instructions in the box say. $4.25 is your temperature. Open up the oven. Make sure your mamas don't got no turkey in there or anything. Don't want to have that. You gotta treat your oven with respect, everybody.
Oh, my ovens are not treated with respect.
Blake cooked poo in his oven, by the way, guys. Yeah, how do you ring a doorbell with chicken fingers?
What kind of question is that?
Ding dong. You also gotta treat your oven with respect, okay? So you gotta count out those 33 dongers for you. Nailed it, okay. So, you're gonna open up this Cavendish potato bag. You gotta treat your fries with respect. That's how you do it. You just gotta do that. Mush it up a little bit, make sure they're not frozen together now. They spent time in the freezer, that's because your mom cooked them a few weeks ago, so. Out in here, just like a little trough. Oh, crap. Damn it, okay. So, because this fry was not treated with respect, you gotta put them over here, okay? He's gonna feel all nice and special. And you're just gonna like whip that on, you know, whip it good. It doesn't really matter if they're like kind of mixing in everywhere, you know. It's all fine. These are salted enough. If you really wanted to, you could eat this right now. But
actually,
teeth. Yeah, you can.
He's looking ice cube.
And yeah, you gotta just put that away. Make your mama happy, okay? Do that.